In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our new feature. It's called the Route Map feature, and this is on the mobile device for your technicians. It's a really cool feature. Basically, your technicians could choose today or any other day that they have routes on the route schedule, and our system will plot them, all of the routes, on a map for you. So if your technician maybe isn't going to follow the route order because they had to stop and get parts somewhere, or they're out of the route and they're closer to a different stop, they can actually look at it on a map and choose where they want to go. First thing is they have to be routes on the route schedule. The other thing that's important is that the customers themselves must be geocoded. So they must have proper addresses in our software, and then you must perform a geocode before the techs are out in the field doing this. Now, the easiest way to geocode, you would click the map button along the top of the route schedule here. It will run for a moment. You'll see along the bottom that it's running a query right now. Once it's done, it's going to pop open the route mapping webpage. All you have to do is sign in. Once you're in, click on Settings, and then Web Options. And then we're going to click on this geocoding button. Now, any customers that have not been geocoded will be listed along the bottom. I've already geocoded all of my customers. You would click the Geocode Entire Customer List button. It will run for a moment, tell you it's running, and then tell you it's done. From there, you can then refresh the page, click the geocoding button again, and verify your customer addresses, or there's no customers left here. So once that's been done, the next step is your techs can use this in the field. I'm going to show you how that works right now. So your techs sign into the mobile app. And right here, they should have a route map button. It's yellow. Now, if you don't see this, it's not a big deal. Just go ahead, go into RouteStar, click the Chat Now button. Basically, you'll have to jump into the tech support chat and let them know you don't have this option. We'll kick it in for you. Click this green button that says Live Chat Technical. Fill out the form. Let them know that you need the new route map feature on the mobile devices for your technicians. They'll get it installed, and then you can use it. So let me show you how this works here. All you have to do is sign in as a technician and click the Route Map button. By default, it's going to select today's date, but if you need to change it, you can just hit the drop-down, select a date, and it'll refresh. Now, right here, when you first go to this page, another important thing to note, you may get a little pop-up along the top that says that we need to grab a copy of your location, and it's going to ask you to allow or deny that. Make sure you click allow the first time. Once it's been kicked in, it shouldn't ask you that any longer. But if we zoom in here, you're going to see I have 5 routes on the actual map right now, and the truck right in the middle is the actual location of where I'm at right now. It tells you right here that that's your location. Now this right here that says employee, if you are a level 1, so if you're an administrator and you sign in here and you need to keep track of your guys or see where they were last at, as long as your technicians have GPS turned on, you'll be able to see them on a map. You'll be able to see where they were when they completed or did their last invoice. It's not a real time. It's only up to the last completion of a ticket. Now, down here, these are your route stops, which we see on a map. So if I'm a technician and I'm out of my normal route and I actually think I want to go here first, I can click on this little red R here, and it'll show you the information. It's going to tell you that this is my customer. It's for Route 1. The date is for 4/18, and it's stop 5. Maybe I want to hit that first. All the technician needs to do is click on Go to Details. And from here, if they have any invoices already ready, you'll see them. Additionally, you could create a task if you need to, but this is the main screen here to go ahead and work that route. It's a pretty simple option, but it'll make your technicians' lives much easier while they're out in the field. So that's how you use the new Route Map feature on the mobile app for the technicians. Have a great day.